But there's this interesting app that it came with. This interesting game. It has a lot of, in case you want to play it with your child. Okay, see, letters and all. You can actually, this one states that you should draw, teaching your child how to write. Okay, how to write alphabet. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of, the name is Alcatel. This, how does it work? What are the things it has? As you can see from the pack, it says that it has teaching through play, certified eye protection, safe and durable design, easy to navigate, parental control, okay, educational content, and 25 free apps. So we're going to be looking at them. What are the things it has? Okay, look at the apps that it already has. Kiddo Mini, these are the apps it has. Peppa Pig, Party of One, that is Pony. It also has First Words, PJ Masks, Fitons, Fox Factory, Martels, Smurfs, Morning Nest. You know, there are a lot of things that it has already, free apps that are inside. When you state it, please excuse the noise from the children. She's excited to have it, so let's do the unboxing so that she can have it. Okay, already. Okay. Yeah, when you open it, firstly you see the way it's well packaged. You can see. Okay, and properly sealed. Hope you can see it. Okay, we'll go into it later, but let me show you guys first the accessories, the way it's packaged. There are a lot of things. Okay, and then we open these. This is, you can see this is the pack. It can actually, I think it should be able to stand. Okay, when I put, okay, so let's do this now. Firstly, let me take this off. Okay, I'll take this off, and then I already charged it overnight, so this is what it looks like with the pack on. Now this is what you can use to stand it. Okay, whichever way you want, it's okay. This is what you use to let it stand. See guys, it stands. Okay, let's look at the accessories then. This is the way it came. Okay, I already made it here. This is the here, over here I have this. Okay, with this I use this already to charge. Okay, you see, this is the charger, and these are the manuals in case you want to go through it. It has, and if you want to insert SIM, because you can use it actually to make call to onto video. If you want to insert SIM, this is that pin you use to, you know, insert the SIM. You also can. Okay, now when you make it in a position that is not suitable, because it has child lock, it will tell you that it is not safe. It's telling you that it's not safe for a child to use it when lying down, to avoid hitting the child's face, that you should position it in a better position. You see now it's good. Okay, so let's look at what it has. I already made some setting. Okay, it has parental control. You can set it to anyhow, open a Gmail, set it and control it from your own main phone. I already have some app that she'll be using, but there's this interesting app that it came with. This interesting game. It has a lot of, in case you want to play it with your child. Okay, see, letters and all. You can actually, this one states that you should draw, teaching your child how to write. Okay, how to write alphabet. And then if we want to go back, we have the other. Okay, a lot of things that you can see. This is also good on just to touch the letters O. Okay, so these are all interesting games that your child can actually play with this. Okay, let's not go into this. There's Google, there's camera. You can make phone call with this. When you start seeing, okay, you make phone call with it in case the child is of age from 3 to 10 can use this. So if you want your child to use it, and then there's in the parental control, you also have location access control to know where your child is and all the rest. Okay, and then this is the camera. It can also take photo. You see how bright it is. Okay, so this is things it has. Okay, it came with all of this app, weather, sound. Then you can go on and download a lot of apps that you want for your child. You control it, determine how far the child can use it, how long time, and all these other things that the parents should do to make everything their kids safe. And I hope you love this and you enjoy watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like this video so that more people can see it. Turn the bell so they also they are when I post other interesting videos. And until my next video, I will see you then. Bye.